If I stole one tiny file from your browser, I might not even need your password. Some attackers don't crack your password, they steal your active login session instead. That's why stronger sign-in methods like Passkeys can significantly reduce phishing risk compared with passwords and SMS codes. Now, lock your WhatsApp cloud backup. If your backup isn't encrypted, it's another place your data could be exposed. Next, enable login alerts so you are notified immediately if someone signs in from a new device. For even more protection, keep your authenticator app on a dedicated device that isn't used for everyday browsing. These simple steps won't make you invincible, but they dramatically improve your security. Download my free Creator Security Checklist from the link in the description and protect your accounts before someone else finds them. If this helped you, subscribe for daily cybersecurity, AI, and tech tips. This is Techie Tricks How To. Peace.